Whether your organization could use better communication, products and services that match your core values, or tools to support your ongoing commitment to excellence, this video will provide you with ample ideas to maintain a strong footing in a highly competitive sales environment. Our ProtectAll training team travels across the country, visiting furniture stores with varying cultures and levels of performance. In our experiences, we know that one thing is for certain: culture has a drastic impact on any person that interacts with your business. Consumers prioritize businesses that make them feel good. A culture of positivity starts at the top and makes its way all the way to your customer. Employees are looking for employers that are a culture fit. A strong culture can equate to happier employees that want to stay with your organization. A positive culture allows owners to focus less on hiring and more on the growth of their business. When consumers, employees, and owners are happy and moving in the same direction, success takes care of itself. This in turn keeps shareholders satisfied. Culture has the ability to make or break an organization at every level. Our first C of culture is communication. This is arguably the most important part of building any great corporate culture. Without strong communication, employees are left with contradicting messages, customer experience that lack follow-up, processes that are undefined, and a lack of direction across the entire organization. This can cause negative experiences and cost us profits. If your organization is in the need of revamp in the way communications happen, don't worry. We have a few great tips to get you started. While improving communication isn't always easy, it is most certainly one of the fastest ways to improve your overall culture. Another critical part of creating a positive culture is establishing and living a strong set of core values. While most organizations see the importance of having their own core values, few organizations take the time to make sure the products and services that they offer come from companies that share the same values. With your products and services being an extension of your brand, you can't afford not to partner with businesses that offer the same level of service and commitment that your organization provides. There are several ways to find products and services providers that will strengthen your own core values. You work hard to build your brand and maintain a positive reputation. When looking for products or service providers, don't settle for anything less than you deserve. Last but not least, we bring you the third C of culture: commitment to excellence. Coming up with ideas and plans is only the first part of improving your culture. How you execute on these ideas and plans will determine your success. If we want excellence, we have to continuously strive for it and build teams that share the same passion. Consistency is the key. There are many ways that you can set your organization for success. Oftentimes, we can identify an issue in culture, but we don't know where to start. Review the 3 C's of culture: communication, core values, and commitment to excellence, and this will help you to pinpoint an area or two that you can improve on with the tips that we have provided. Check for employee engagement and customer satisfaction and modify your plan as needed. An improvement in your culture will undoubtedly lead to increased sales, lower turnover, and a happier, healthier organization.